The name of Dr. Riek Machar has become more than politics. It has become a weapon, a tool. People are using his name not to build peace, not to bring development, but to gain money, to gain favor, and to gain power. Some say that if you publicly declare that you do not support Dr. Riek Machar, you will receive credit, protection, or benefit from forces linked to the SSPDF. Others say that if you accept to be counted among certain groups like SPLA, SPLM-IG, you may be sent to the front line to fight your own brothers, even your own relative. You are told that if you proved yourself, if you show loyalty through destruction, you will be promoted. Think about that. What kind of a system reward a man for burning the home of his own family? What kind of politics turned against brothers? What kind of leadership feed on division instead of unity? Well, this is not a strength. This is not honor. This is not bravery. No political figure should ever be used as a tool to manipulate young men. No leader's name should be turned into currency for survival. When politics become a marketplace where loyalty is traded for money and violence is traded for promotion, the entire nation suffers. We must also remember that leaders come and go, government change, title fade, but the consequences of our action remain. If you destroyed your community today for the sake of temporary reward, we will rebuild it tomorrow. If you harm your own blood for political favor, we will stand with you when the same system turns against you. Young men must ask themselves serious questions. Are you fighting for justice, or are you being used? Are you defending your people, or are you destroying them? Are you building a future or burning it? The greatest tragedy is when we allow ourselves to become instruments in conflict that do not serve our families, our communities, or our children. We need courage, but not the courage to destroy it. We need loyalty, but loyalty to truth and peace. We need strength, but strength to refuse manipulation. Let us reject any system that rewards violence against our own people. Let us reject politics that divide us into enemies. Let us demand accountability, transparency, and peace from all leaders, not blind loyalty. Our future will not be secure by burning homes. It will be secure by building them. It will not be protected by turning against our brothers. It will not be protected by turning against our community. It will be protected by standing together. This is not about one man's name. It is about the soul of our nation, and we must choose wisely.